Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin inside System Settings because changing font size touches both display scaling and accessibility. First, click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. This gives you modern controls. Once done, open Displays to see resolution and scaled options that affect overall UI size. Adjust there if apps look tiny. Then open Accessibility and select Display to change text size and reduce motion or increase contrast. These steps separate how the system scales versus how text renders, which is why you do both. Now you will adjust scaled resolution to increase effective font size. In Displays, choose Scaled and select a larger text option. You'll see the desktop preview immediately. Make sure to try intermediate choices so you balance clarity versus available screen space. Once you set scaling, some apps need a restart to apply changes. Log out and back in if text still appears unchanged. Also consider enabling night shift or true tone to preserve legibility. These influence perceived contrast and comfort. Finish by using Accessibility's text controls for system-wide increases and app-specific shortcuts for finer control. In Accessibility, increase text size where present and enable bold text if needed. This changes UI labels and menus. For individual apps, use Command++ or look under View menus to scale content without altering system resolution. If things still misbehave, reset NVRAM or check that the app doesn't override system settings. This fixes many stubborn font size conflicts. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.